of Thor's hammer. Blow, bellows, blow, set the sparks aglow. For Sindri of Swartheim, the shaper of sword, is molding and making gifts for the god. Blow, bellows, blow, set the sparks aglow. A ring of red gold for the master of men, a boar with bright crystal for Frey and his friends. But Thunderer Thor needs weapons of war. Blow, bellows, blow, set the sparks aglow. Fierce and fiery flames and ferns, molten metals gleam like gold. Clash and clang of hefty hammers in the hands of sweltering smiths. Hard and heavy, strong as steel, mighty Mjolnirs forged and fashioned. Blow, bellows, blow, set the sparks aglow.